What is up, YouTube? Scotty here. Thanks for coming by the channel. Before I get started, I just wanted to thank all my subscribers, everybody that has been following me. Really appreciate all you guys taking the time and watching my stuff and commenting, and it just means a ton to get the support and to have all that camaraderie with you guys out there. It's just it's still fantastic to me. I've been doing it for 2 years and the excitement really hasn't worn off. I just love this stuff. So big shout out to you guys. I really appreciate it. Today I am installing a new mod on the Hellcat. This is a front end splitter. It's the kind that's contoured to snug right up against the contour of the lower bumper there, which I want. I didn't really want the ones that have like the poles and stuff. So this one's, small enough that it doesn't stick out so far that it needs the poles to the rods to hold it on. So I got this used. I'll put a link to where I got this online in the description. But basically it's already got a bunch of holes in it. So you got to kind of line those holes up underneath. Got to jack the car up to be able to get under there. Does help to have two people, but I'm going to use some MacGyver ingenuity here to hold it up there by myself so I can drill the holes in. Let's give it a shot. Alright guys, so fortunately this has holes in it that already line up to these existing holes all the way along the bottom. So I'll be able to use those for the back row here, but then I'm going to have to tap into these front holes, which are gonna go along more towards the top. So there it is. So I have both screws in the front there. I was able to use the factory screws that came on there. So you can see them going down the line there. And there's the factory screw. There it is. So that's it. I like the little side piece that it has there. And come down reflective tape on the outside. I like it. It's pretty good. Fits in there nice and tight. I like that it doesn't stick out too far.